Hello YouTubers, this is Hot Wheels Dude 14 once again, and today, I haven't done this in a while, I went to a swap meet today, and I found some blue cards. Check that out, and plus one over there. But let's take a closer look at these. I use my ladder. I got this Trail Buster. I also sent one to Puchifmero B, and now I got one for myself. Then I got this Beach Blaster. Got a Purple Passion. Pretty sweet. Sweetie sweet for the sweets. And also the Ford F-150. Got a Fast Food Series Crunch Chief. This Indy 500. Or, I keep saying that. It's Hot Wheels 500, not Indy 500. And then I got this Rail Rodder. Little locomotive. And then up here I got a VW Bug. Look at that. And then I got a Silver Series school bus. Pretty sweet. And then over here I got a Racing Metal Series race truck. And over here I got a Twang Thang. Look at that guitar on the side. Isn't that kind of cool? And up here I got a, what is this one? Oh, the Shadow Jet. Pretty colorful. And I got the Speed Racer looking car. It's the Second Wind. I found the chase piece, Hot Ones, not a few days ago. And I got this Race Team Firebird. Oh, Side Splitter. And over here I got this Lumina Stalker. I got one in a 2-pack somewhere. And I got a couple of loose ones. So let's check these out. I got this Chevy Stalker. Look at that. Got it in a Protecto because, if I can see, there we go. Got it on my rotating display stand. And then I got this Bim Bang Boom, I think, Range Rover. Look at that. Rolls pretty nice. And on the side it says Screech, and then on the top it says Vroom. And then I got this. Look at this. This VW Golf. Look at that. If it'll focus, please, camera, focus. Come on. How hard is it? Yeah, I hate it when it does. I thought you guys hate that when you got a camera and it won't focus. Ooh, look at that red interior. Sweetie sweet car. It's got something German on the side. I'm not sure what that is and what it means. Oh, and also, I went to Walmart today and found some 2 new Decades. Got this Mustang Mach 1 and also this Camaro Super Sport, which is really cool. I wanted to get the other 2 that they had, which was the Neat Streeter and the F-100, but they're just way too expensive. Plus, these are cool. These are muscle. And also, I got this Baja Breaker. And I know how some of you guys have been finding them and the wheels are messed up, but this one rolls really well. This is going to go to John, aka Puchifmero B, so that'll be in his package. But that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Happy collecting and take care.